Hello everyone, Monster Hunter Rock here with another exciting episode of Monster Meat. I am joined by my fellow co-host, Judge Magister, and a fellow Capcom community member, Erebrea. Sorry, I have a cold, feeling a little sick, it's been horrible, ugh. But Elites, I'm joined by Elites and my fellow co-host, Judge, on this quest that we're going right. Meow. We're going on an ominous cry, hunting a Kurupeku in the desert during the day in honor of Thanksgiving! Thanksgiving! Explosions. Oh man. But yes, I am joined by my fellow co-host Judge, fellow co-host from our little podcast we got going on, the Well Then Podcast. Give us a check out. There's a link down there. Judge also streams Final Fantasy on his PS4. Should check out his Twitch. His link's also going to be in the description below. Lots of action there. But this is Monster Meat, and for that we need to hunt monsters so that we can sell their meat and be like, hey, we got this meat here. Where do we put it? So, hunting the Kurupeku. G-rank Pico at that. Weak to both water, ice. This should be a cinch. I'm using my Nibble Snarf, G-rank armor with Awaken. That's what I like to call my Eat It set. This Pickle's taking forever. Oh! My goodness. Fire clap! Fire clap! Alright. Woo! Judging those shells, man. It's all about the explosions! Explosions? Oh gosh! You shall meet your doom, Pico! And we shall have Pico wings for Thanksgiving! So, how was everyone's Thanksgiving? Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's actually, oh man, this is more likely going to be released a little bit after Thanksgiving, and I apologize for the lateness of the video. But, oh, crap. Oh, it's the Devil Joe. Shut up, Kurupeku. We ain't got time for you. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm paralyzed. There goes Elites. You know, Pickle, why don't you call me sometime? Alright. Oh, crap. No! Oh! Oh, no! Oh, no, no! Fast! There we go. That's why I call it the Eat It set, folks. So I just eat sits really fast. And why wouldn't you want to eat fast on Thanksgiving? Oh man. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Like, I couldn't taste my food. I was so bummed. This cold. This evil, evil cold. But there's always I was assuming leftovers taste better the next day, but who knows? Who's the judge of that? I know who's the judge. Judge Fudge. Also known as Judge Magister. Woo! Destroyed. Oh crap. It's like getting really hard to be Chatty McCathy up in here. Awesome. I'm coming, buddy. Got them nullberries. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No, no! Oh! Get off of me! Oh man, that was cray. So who's eating me? I guess that's how the turkeys feel on Thanksgiving, I suppose. Oh, man. It's on. Nobody chews me and gets away with it. Oh, the hopper's down. You're flashed. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah. This set does not have tremor resistance, so I'm going to have to be on point with my rolls, which might not happen, seeing as though I am halfway near sedated off this cough medicine. And I apologize to you folks. You guys deserve all the utmost on quality. I just realized how low Judge's health is, but no! No! Oh man, so not cool. So not cool, Devil Joe! Stop killing my fellow friends and guests! You're not gonna leave me with any! Oh man. That means I need to hunt. No, I'm just kidding. Hunters hunting hunters. In a world where hunters hunt hunters. For the hunts. Oh. Man, I'm so sorry, Judge. Try and get this guy. So, the Devil Joe. Fire breathing, or not fire, but dragon blight breathing. Monstrous brute wyvern. Dude! He's all like, oh, you forgot I'm also a troll! Oh, no! Fuck. Troll indeed. Oh, man. No, 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 no. Ha ha! In your face. I should probably heal, but I can't resist getting that spirit gauge fully charged. Well, I got eat it. Eat it! Set! He's Tai-Tai!
Awesome!
Ha! Got you, fool!
Yes! Awesome!
Aw, yeah! Tail cut for days! Oh no! Oh, eat the meat, Joe. Oh, sorry! I wasn't aware that was the desired effect! Oh man, Devil Joe, you's going down, dude. I gotta sharpen this weapon. Oh, oh no. Oh no. So yeah, those attacks, man, how they're designed to like hurt you if you roll away. Always roll towards them. It's a little scary, but it'll work. It will work. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, they did like a 4-point turn. Oh, it's Pico. Thank you for the spirit gauge, sir. Excuse me, I have to hunt the Devil Joe. Oh man. No! Come back here, you idiot! Oh, way to go, Judge. Yeah. Kick his ass, Judge. You show what you Canadians can do. With your gun lances and all. Alright. Hello, big boy. Alright. Tails being cut. Oh no! Oh. Man. Well, I'm thankful. In honor of Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for that tail cut. Soundbite, people. Couldn't resist. Oh! I thought I was gone for. Oh, get the finals. Nope. Sometimes it's good to mind your fade slash, your final charge up for it, man. Because if you end up burning it and missing, not only does it make you look kind of funny, but you also lose a lot of that gauge. It's good to like mind your pause, or if you want to do something to get out the way, you can sidestep. See, don't do what I just did right now. I should have fade slashed out of the way. But maybe this is my chance to get the KO. No! No! Oh my. This thing is getting an ass whooping right now. Oh man. All those hits missed. Oh! Come on, Devil Joe. Oh, Lord Zone! Watch me like eat a face full of rock. Get it? Oh! Cause he throws rocks, but my name is Rock. I'm so sick. Oh, I'm gonna get some soup later. Some nice soup. Some nice Chinese food flavored soup. Oh my gosh, you guys will go crazy. Oh. There's so much going on this screen right now. Like, I want to be a part of the madness. The madness. Wow. My weapons needs to be sharpened. This is so bad. This is so bad. These guys are like friends. They're like buddies. They're like, hey man. Hey man. It's Thanksgiving and these guys are all looking at me funny, man. You're like, oh yeah? Well, I'll be right there, homie. And here comes the Devil Joe and he's like,
Roar! Death! Destruction!
oh my. Oh no! Alright. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, why did I do that? That's okay. It's okay. Max potion. Oh, it's not okay. This dude fainted. We're in trouble now, Jimmy. Looks like we're in trouble now, guys. Oh no. Oh no! Oh man. Did I just drink my max potion? I fucking did! No! Oh my god, this quest has gone horribly fucking wrong in the last span of the last few minutes. He's mad that we like beat him up, man. That was a pretty crazy beatdown earlier. You know what? We're just that close. You know what? I meant to drink that max potion, in fact. That's what it was, yeah. I was like, I feel so confident. I'm gonna drink this max potion right now. Okay. Swing and a miss. There we go. Oh, not cool. Come on, Punisher. Activate. Ah! You know what? Screw this! It's on. He's tired, yo. He is most definitely tired. This Renemplos is all like charging. Why don't you go step over that bomb there, buddy? This Renemplos is all like, no, the party's over here.
The party's over here, man.
Oh, crap. Oh, no. Yes, Judge. You got the great idea. Oh, no. Blast it. Yeah. Use it, hold me a headache. He's limping away. Charge! Charge! Oh man. Okay, well that took longer than expected, man, and I apologize. This Devil Joe. Well, he's also like, oh crap, he's not a normal Devil Joe either, he's a Savage Joe, like that, so they hit a little harder. You know what? Oh! Way to, oh! Epic kill! Way to go, Latis, he's just like, huh! Oh man. You know what? I can't resist. Oh, where's that duck? Oh my. Hunting down. Yeah, where's that dude? Let's see. Let's destroy those ducks, people. Oh, not here. Oh man. Well, no, it's damaged then. Let's move on to the bigger.
Let's move on to the task at hand, shall we? Yeah.
Oh man. Wherefore out art, cool. Turkey time. Dance. I just ran away. Look at it! We press for time! Thank goodness! This is not where it goes. Oh my goodness! Oh gosh. Which words are they gonna be? Yeah. There it is! Oh! Way to go, LTs. Excuse me while I kiss the sky. Let's see if we can. Ow! Explosion! This funny bird. This delicious morsel needs to be hunted down.
And it shall be hunted down. 'Cause I am hungry and want to eat some Pika.
Oh, you jerk! I got what you need right here. Where you going, buddy? Where's you going? Where's you going if the party's right here? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, goodness. Judge. No, no.
Oh, I thought that would do it.
Ah, get back here, Kurupeku. It would appear that I lost the Kurupeku. Oh, man, that damn bird. We's gonna get you. Mm-hmm. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Hold on, LTs. Whoa! Oh, nice! You got it. Way to go. Awesome sauce, man. Oh, I don't even know where those things went. Aw, yeah. So that was an Omnius Cry. Hunting a G-Rank, Kurupeku, and Judge. Judge so funny mentioning the podcast. Yes, Judge. Indeed. So, that was an Omnius Cry. That was a G-Rank, Kurupeku, and Savage Devil Joe. And, yep. This concludes our Thanksgiving episode. Yeah! Sorry I wasn't talking so much there, gang. It's just really dopey from the cough medicine and all sorts of other stuff. But, oh, man. Being sick sucks, but it helps build up your immunity. That's for sure. So, like the video if you liked it. Let me know if you want to see me do other hunts. Thank you, Judge, for helping me out with this, and LTs, you too. Make sure you guys check out Judge's Twitch channel. He's fond of the Final Fantasy series on the PS4. He's into streaming also. Check out the link in the description below. And also, if you get a chance, check out the Well Done Podcast, man. It's the podcast for Monster Hunter. Not the only one, but it's definitely top tier. It's one of my favorites. It's one of my favorite podcasts. So, yes. Everyone, happy holidays. This is Monster Hunter Rock signing out. Hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and looking forward to more holiday extravaganza episodes. Woohoo! Anyway, take care. Bye! Sorry. Bye-bye.